Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy DeepSeek AI Agent token crypto. So before proceeding into this video, let me tell you one thing, that currently there is no official coin from DeepSeek AI, but if you want to buy DeepSeek AI Agent, you can certainly do that. However, this video is for education purposes only, and this is not a financial advice. Always do your own diligence before purchasing any of the crypto coins or investing in cryptos. So first we need to understand where we can find DeepSeek AI Agent token. So in order to find that, you can either come on coinmarketcap.com, or you can even seek help from DEX screener as well, because it is based on Solana and you will be able to find Solana based coin on DEX screen very well. So currently I'm going to use CoinMarketCap. So you need to simply come over here and you need to simply search for DeepSeek in the search bar. Now once you search for it, you will find DeepSeek AI Agent. So you need to simply click on it, and then you will see its ticker as well as its chart over here. Now if you scroll down a bit, you will see where you can actually purchase DeepSeek AI. So you can buy it on Radium. So in order to access Radium, you need to simply come on radium.io. Now you need to connect your Phantom wallet with it, and you need to make sure that you have some Solana in your account for this particular transaction. Now you need to click on this drop down menu, and over here you need to simply search for DeepSeek AI. So if you are able to find it over here, it is well and good. If you are not able to find it over here, you just have to simply copy the address from CoinMarketCap or DEX screener, and then you need to paste the address in this section. Now you need to enter the amount of SOL that you want to spend in order to purchase DeepSeek AI Agent, and then it will show you the equivalent amount that you are going to get. Plus it will also show you the fees as well as bunch of other details about this transaction. Now you need to simply click on the swap option in the bottom, and then you will see all of your DeepSeek AI Agent tokens in your Phantom wallet. So this way you can basically purchase it. Currently it is not available on the centralized exchanges, so you can only purchase it in your wallet. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions relating to this, you can just ask me in the comments, and I'm here to help you out with that. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.